Hi, in front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords autofill. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and this blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill was successfully disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!